Hello, my name is Sunny Hansda, register number UR15 CS360, and today I am going to show you a program on array implementation of queue. So as we can see, first I have defined the max as 5, which is our array max size, and after that I have declared an array name q, which is having max as the limit, and I have also declared front as -1 and rear as -1, because for q we need two pointers, one is rear and one is front. And after that I have declared a function named enqueue, which is when we'll put the data inside the queue. For that I have inside this enqueue I have declared an integer no, which is the element which we will insert inside the queue. And first we'll check the fullness condition, which is if rear is equal to max minus 1. If it's satisfy this condition, then our queue is full and we will display the output as cout, queue is full. If it's not, then we will output the message as enter the number to the user, and then user will enter the element in the variable num. After that we will increase the rear. First we'll increase the rear value, and then we will put the value inside the queue. So this is our enqueue function. After that we have dequeue function, which is deleting the element from the queue. Inside dequeue also I have initialized no as integer and I as integer. So here we will check the emptiness condition, because if the queue is empty then we can't delete any element. So for that we have if front is equal to rear. So if front is equal to rear, then the queue is empty and will display the output message as queue is empty. If it's not, then we'll put the number equal to queue of front, which is the pointer which is used when we will delete any element from the queue. And so we'll increase the front, we'll increment the front, and then we'll output the message as removed from the queue. And this no is the element which is removed from the queue. We also have a display function, which is used to display all the elements in the queue. So here we are using, again we have a variable of integer type I, and also we have temp, which is equal to front. So here we will also see the emptiness condition. If it's empty, then we can't display the any elements. So here also we'll check if front is equal to rear, then we'll display the output message as the queue is empty. If not, then we'll output the message as element in the queue is equal to. And here we will use a for loop for displaying our all the elements inside the queue. Here if I is equal to temp, then I is less than rear and I plus plus. So after that we have output message as q of I. So I will increase from front till rear, and here it is our display function. And then inside the main function we have I have declared a variable named ch of type integer, and then we have various output messages as 1 to add element, 2 to remove element, 3 to display entry HS. So after that I have used a switch case. For case 1 I have put here enqueue function, for case 2 dequeue function, and case 3 display function. And also I have declared a default case as cout invalid choice. So here we can see when we'll run the program, it says add element, 1 to add element, 2 to remove element, 3 to display enter HR. Okay, if I'll try to remove an element, it's saying queue is empty. And after that if I say to add element, say 54, after that also I have 76, 74, 87, 32. See, So after 32 it's not taking any element and it's showing the message as queue is full. So if I will display, then you can see that we have 5 elements stored here as 1, 54, 76, 74 and 87. So if I will try to remove the element, see it's saying that one is removed from the queue. As we know that queue is FIFO, that is first in first out, so one was entered the first, and so that's why one is also removed in the first. So you can remove second element, that is 54. And again if we will display the message, so now the remaining elements are 76, 74 and 87. And if we will remove 76 is removed, again if we will remove 74 is removed, again if we will remove 87 is removed. So our queue is empty now. So if I will try to remove it again, then it will say queue is empty. So this is it. This is a program for array implementation of queue. Thank you for watching.